Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just to let you know that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, May the 9th, 2021. And happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. Oh, that came out a little wrong. I meant happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Yeah, any way you say it, it could be taken the wrong way, but you know what I mean. So, I hope you'll be able to join us today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for general chit-chat, and we're going to look at some of the new developments in our continuing story of COVID lockdown here in the area that I live in, and some other interesting things we have discovered about, well, some little scams that are going on and how to get rich quick on YouTube as well. So lots of things to talk about, and as always, we look for your discussion points as well. So join us today, May the 9th, 2021, at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. All you mothers out there, come on, have a little break with us. Okay, see you then. I'm rambling. Bye-bye.